Can artificial intelligence help you compare Medicare plans? Yes, but there's an important catch. AI should not make your Medicare decision for you. It should help you make a smarter decision. Today, comparing Medicare plans can feel like comparing airline tickets. One plan has a lower premium, another has lower copays, one includes your prescriptions, another has your doctor, and somewhere in the fine print is the part that can really matter your maximum out-of-pocket cost. That is where technology can help. AI-powered comparison tools can organize a large amount of Medicare information much faster than most of us could do sitting at the kitchen table with a pile of brochures. For example, technology can help you compare monthly premiums, deductibles, doctor and specialist copays, hospital costs, prescription drug coverage, pharmacy networks, provider networks, and maximum out-of-pocket limits. And those differences matter. A $0 premium does not necessarily mean a $0 cost. You could save money on the premium and then spend considerably more when you actually use healthcare. The same is true with prescription drugs. A plan may look inexpensive until you discover that one of your medications is on a higher drug tier, requires prior authorization, or costs more at your usual pharmacy. AI can help sort through those details, but here is where human judgment still matters. A computer may tell you that Plan A costs less than Plan B. It cannot automatically know what matters most to you. Maybe keeping your cardiologist is your top priority. Maybe you travel frequently and want broader provider access. Maybe you take several expensive prescriptions. Or maybe your biggest concern is protecting yourself from a large healthcare bill later in the year. That is why Medicare plan comparison should not be about finding the cheapest plan. It should be about finding the plan that best fits your healthcare needs and your financial situation. Think of AI as a very fast assistant. It can gather information, it can organize information, it can help you ask better questions, but you are still the person making the decision. And that is exactly how we believe Medicare technology should work. At MedicareSelfenroll.com, our philosophy is simple. Asterisk, asterisk. Artificial intelligence should not make your Medicare decisions. It should help you make smarter Medicare decisions. Asterisk, asterisk. Because when it comes to Medicare, the smartest technology in the room should still be working for you, not deciding for you. Asterisk, asterisk. We don't sell you plans. We help you find yours. Asterisk, asterisk.